अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः। अर्जुन उवाच ध्यायसि चेत् कर्मणस्ते मता बुद्धिः जनार्दन तत्किं कर्मणि घोरे मां नियोजयसि केशव।
Arjuna said, O Janardana, O Keshava, why do you want to engage me in this ghastly warfare, if you think that intelligence is better than fruitive work?
व्यामिश्रेणेव वाक्येन बुद्धिं मोहयसीव मे तदेकं वद निश्चित्य येन श्रेयोऽहम् आप्नुयाम्।
My intelligence is bewildered by your equivocal instructions. Therefore, please tell me decisively, which will be most beneficial for me?
Shri Bhagavanuvāca Lokesmin vividha nishtha pura prokta maya nakha jnana yogena sankhyanam karma yogena yoginam.
The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, O sinless Arjuna, I have already explained that there are two classes of men who try to realize the self. Some are inclined to understand it by empirical, philosophical speculation, and others by devotional service.
Na karmanam anarambhat naishkarmyam purushoshnute na cha sanyasanadeva siddhim samadhigacchati.
Not by merely abstaining from work can one achieve freedom from reaction, nor by renunciation alone can one attain perfection.
Nahi kaschit kshanamapi jatu tishthatya karma krit karyate hyavashah karma sarvakha prakriti gunaihi.
Everyone is forced to act helplessly according to the qualities he has acquired from the modes of material nature. Therefore, no one can refrain from doing something, not even for a moment.
Karmendriyani samyamya ya aste manasa smaran indriyarthan vimudhatma mithyacharaha sauchyate.
One who restrains the senses of action, but whose mind dwells on sense objects, certainly deludes himself and is called a pretender.
Yastvindriyani manasa niyamyarabhate arjuna karmendriyaihi karma yogam asaktaha savishishyate.
On the other hand, if a sincere person tries to control the active senses by the mind and begins karma yoga in Krishna consciousness without attachment, he is by far superior.
Niyatam kuru karmatvam karmadhyayokya karmanaha sharira yatra pichate na prasidhyeda karmanaha.
Perform your prescribed duty, for doing so is better than not working. One cannot even maintain one's physical body without work.
यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणोऽन्यत्र लोकोऽयं कर्म बन्धनः तदर्थं कर्म कौन्तेय मुक्तसङ्गः समाचर.
Work done as a sacrifice for Vishnu has to be performed. Otherwise, work causes bondage in this material world. Therefore, O son of Kunti, perform your prescribed duties for his satisfaction, and in that way you will always remain free from bondage.